Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to delete instabridge app if not showing uninstall options. So let's start. If you want to use this app, you have to set this app as your default launcher. So there's a benefit: power reach, power search, reach app, contact and web from one place, quick Wi-Fi access, access nearby Wi-Fi with one tap. But if you already try it, I like me, I think I have to admit it, this app is not good, clunky and also bored, stiff display, stiff launcher. So I want to uninstall this app, but there is no uninstall option here. So all you have need to do is go to Play Store and uninstall from the Play Store like this. Type instabridge, tap again and try to uninstall. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.